12 benefits of taking lemons you are probably not aware of. Lemons may seem like just another fruit, but this vibrant yellow powerhouse holds numerous benefits that many people aren't aware of. Whether it's a cold remedy or a natural beauty booster, lemons can truly do it all. Packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and antibacterial properties, lemons are a hidden gem for overall health and wellness. Let's dive into the 12 impressive benefits of lemons that can transform your health, beauty routine, and daily life. 1. Relief from flu and cold. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a robust immune system. When you start feeling the onset of a cold, squeeze the juice of one lemon into warm water and drink it to give your immune system a quick boost. Not only does lemon juice soothe a sore throat with its antibacterial properties, but it also helps your body fight off the virus. You can even add a teaspoon of salt to a lemon water mixture to gargle and relieve throat pain. This trick can make a big difference in easing cold symptoms. 2. Brightens skin tone. Lemons are well known for their beauty benefits, especially when it comes to skin tone. The high levels of vitamin C in lemons help combat dark spots and acne scars. For a quick skin brightening mask, mix lemon juice with honey and apply it to your face. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse it off. This mixture will leave your skin looking fresh and radiant. Regular use of lemon juice on your skin can help even out pigmentation and create a natural glow. 3. Clean teeth and fresh breath. Bad breath and yellow teeth can be embarrassing, but lemons can help. By combining lemon juice with baking soda, you can make a natural paste to clean your teeth. While it won't make them white overnight, regular use will help brighten your smile. Additionally, a glass of lemon water each day can gradually reduce bad breath. For an instant breath freshener, chew on a small slice of lemon after a meal. 4. Protects against heart disease. Lemons contain antioxidants that support heart health. Studies show that the flavonoids in lemon peel can help reduce cholesterol levels and blood pressure, thereby decreasing the risk of heart disease. To get the most out of this benefit, grate a lemon peel and add it to your lemon water. These natural compounds in lemons can promote a healthy heart. 5. Helps lower blood pressure. Citric acid in lemons has been shown to lower blood pressure levels. Research suggests that drinking lemon juice combined with a daily walk can be a simple yet effective way to help lower high blood pressure. For better results, try consuming a glass of lemon water each morning. 6. Soothes canker sores. Canker sores can be painful, but lemon juice has antibacterial and antiviral properties that help soothe and heal them. Mix lemon juice with warm water and rinse your mouth 3 times a day. While the juice might sting at first, it will accelerate the healing process. 7. Eases anxiety. The scent of lemons has calming properties that can reduce stress and anxiety. Simply inhaling the aroma of lemons can boost your focus and mood. Next time you're feeling anxious, take a deep breath with a scent of lemon to feel refreshed and more focused. 8. Reduces cholesterol levels. Drinking lemon water can be beneficial for managing cholesterol. Research shows that vitamin C and flavonoids found in lemon juice can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol. Regular intake of lemon water may lead to improved cholesterol levels over time. 9. Prevents kidney stones. Lemons are also beneficial for kidney health. Consuming lemon water regularly helps increase citrate levels in the urine, which can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Try drinking 2 to 3 glasses of lemon water daily to keep your kidneys healthy and minimize the risk of stones. 10. Whitens nails. If your nails are yellow from overuse of nail polish or exposure to dirt, a soak in lemon juice can whiten them. Just mix lemon juice with olive oil and soak your nails for a few minutes. The natural acidity of lemon juice helps to restore the natural color of your nails. 11. Acts as a natural deodorant. Using lemons as a natural deodorant is an effective way to keep body odor at bay. The citric acid in lemons kills bacteria, leaving you feeling fresh throughout the day. Apply a slice of lemon to your armpits, leave it for a few minutes, and then rinse. This natural remedy helps prevent unpleasant odors without any added chemicals. 12. Alleviates symptoms of illness. If you're feeling feverish or have chills, lemon juice can be a natural remedy to ease symptoms. Mix lemon juice with warm water and add honey for added benefits. Drinking this mixture every few hours can provide comfort and alleviate some of the side effects of an illness. Conclusion: lemons are more than just a garnish. They are a powerful remedy and wellness booster. From boosting your immune system to brightening your skin, the versatility of lemons is truly impressive. With these 12 benefits, you can incorporate lemons into your daily routine for improved health and well-being. Whether you're battling a cold, whitening your nails, or simply looking to improve your heart health, lemons have you covered. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.